Killian, what are you doing? Can't you just eat it?
He said, "Shut up." He done tore into his.
He fat. He gonna do. Is that good, Puff?
They should have tore it up for him.
Touch that food. Just touch it. Your whole hand get there. Don't go for his. What that?
Dang, he's scared. He's like, I got 2 sausages and none of them yours. They're both mine. Back off. Give me sausage.
Crazy.
Return food. He's like, you turn mine open while I eat yours. And then I'm gonna come over there and get that one.
He's freaking bored. He didn't want you taking it.
He's like, you take mine, I'll take yours. They're so bad.
They are, ain't they?
He could barely even eat it.
Why are you playing with your food?
He's ripping it. He's ripping it.
You can't even do it. Oh, I know why he ain't trying to eat it. He's trying to hump it. It's called a hot dog. Is your hot dog good?
He thought there was something in that bowl. Get the sausage. Get it. Yeah, get it.
There ain't nothing interesting.
Better go get your sausage before he tear into it. He's like, y'all can video for my butt. Find your sausage again?